recording inside my room, and you probably would hear people talking and people entering my room. So sorry about that. So let me discuss to you the frequencies first. This is uh, the output that will come from your SPSS. So first is the frequencies. There's nothing special about this. It's the frequency table page, and then you'll see some charts over here. So that's how it is. Age, gender, and it's try to find out whether, oh my god, in age there's a problem, like uh, you've encoded a number 4, so I'd have to recalibrate that. Okay, what is age? Age is located in, age is variable number 3. Alright, so variable number 3. There's a 4. Would like to re-encode that. Okay, the very last one. I don't know what to put here. I don't know what to put here, because as you said, RIA. Okay, as you said, sorry about that. Oh, diba? 3 is 41 to 50. 41 to 50. There's no number 4. But there's a number 4 in your array, so I just put it as number 3, okay? I will not go back to you and ask, so I'll just put it as number 3 and redo everything. So I have to remove this, okay, the output. No, I don't wanna save it. So this is your untitled. So SPSS has 2 screens. One is the data view. See it here. That's the one. While the other one is the variable view. The variable view came from your. These are the things that came from your surveys, right? Profession, age, sex, and this is the reason why I ask you to give me the label of each of the questions, because I, copied and pasted them here, right? This is the total of the interpersonal factors, job-related factors, professional factors, and interprofessional factors. So on with the analysis. So first we analyze, sorry about that, I'm gonna let you see all the papers. So analyze, and then descriptive stat and frequencies. Okay, wait, someone is coming in the room, and I'm gonna pause this for a while. So we continue as they depart from my room. So frequencies first of all the demographic profile. So the statistics, I didn't click anything, and I just included the charts. It's okay if you don't wanna put the charts, and then press OK. And so you will have this. Dapat hindi ko na ginawa yung analysis dati. So this is just an analysis whether there's a missing, demographic or whatever. So this is profession, 20 radtech, 20 nurse, 19 female, 21 male, and the age groups, the length of service, and this is the charts. Okay, you'll see them anyway. And then we go to the next, which is the scale. This is the one that I try to tell you. Alright, so first, your liability analysis. Okay, first, the developing rapport, first 3 questions. Okay, I included the item correlation, inter-item correlation, and the result. As you can see, the result is 0.39. And if you wanna still analyze it, you have to wait. Someone is coming. Okay, so yun. If you wanna change anything, you can go to the inter-item correlation matrix and then you can see that there are, pero wala na tayong time kasi to correct this. This one, no, the negative one. So, developing rapport is essential in giving safety in patient care. And then there is personal difference causes communication barriers. These are not correlated at all. So, this is negative and that is positive. So, medyo doon ngayon ka problema, but wala tayong choice. So, we have to, to just focus on what's left with us. So, continuing, we have the scale again, reliability analysis, and then balik natin yung tatlo, and go with the balancing, support, decision-making process, the next three. And then you will get this one. Yan. O yun, ang baba na naman. This is a very, very, very small reliability. Yan. So, I'm sorry for the noise. So, ito, decision-making process influences communication between blah, blah, blah. And balancing workload. So, yan, hindi siya negative yung relationship doon. Okay? So, scale again. The next three would be scope of practice, working, employment, differences of job descriptions. And then, ito medyo mataas to, I think. Yeah, it's a little bit higher, 0.51. Pero hindi pa rin siya nakabot ng 0.6. Again, the problem is the last question. Differences in job causes communication. I think there's a problem with your last question always. Okay? So, again, I will not comment on that anymore. Go back and language, collaboration, radiologic, technology, something like that. So, we have okay, and you have, again, 498. Mataas na rin siya, but it's not that high still, kasi 0.6 yung gusto natin. I think the problem here is not the second and the third because they're both the same. I think the problem here is the relationship with collaboration and radiologic, this one, third one. Okay, so if we will not do anything about it, let's go on with analyze and descriptive statistics, which is the descriptives, and then all of this from hindi na sa amin lang to service descriptive Okay, sorry about that. Analyze, descriptive, and descriptives, which in this case is yung developing rapport from there, no? Developing rapport, something, all the questions. So, ang nakalagay lang dito is mean, standard deviation, variable list, and then okay. So, we'll have to do this like this. And lang, nakalagay lang yung mean and standard deviation para na kayong mag-analyze niyan. So, naman ako sino mataas, sino mababa, and all that. Okay? And then, we will also give you the means, descriptives, analysis of yung last. Oh, sorry. Ito, yung last. Okay, ito yan, yung interpersonal, job-related, the fourth. And then, we'll have, okay. So, the mean will be 8.97, 9.3, 9.20, it's almost the same. Right? Good lang. Ganyan, okay? Alright. So, after that, we will compare the means and wait, meron naman nag-iingay dito. Okay, sorry about that. Keep on moving out and in of this analysis. So, first, we analyze all the questions. Depende to if you don't want to analyze per question and just the total na lang, pwede rin naman. So, we analyze first on the, what's this? Bakit wala yun, diba? Yeah, okay. So, developing 1, 2, 3, diba? First 3, dependent list, and then click the options, and then basta make sure lang that the ANOVA table is clicked, and then you continue, and then when you press OK, andi dito lahat ng mga independent variable, profession, sex, age, length of service. And when you press OK, ito importante. No? So the first thing that will come out there is the case processing summary. Wala yan, hindi yan masyadong meaningful. ang kailangan mong puntahan agad because after that, you will pass on, you will be given the result. Katulad na to, you will be given the result for RadTech and Nurse, the difference, but you'll still go past that and go to the ANOVA table and look at the significance value, this one. Okay, so ito yung ANOVA table, right? This is ANOVA table. And then you will go to the significance, this one. And then try to look at yung merong significance level na less than 0.05. So in this case, wala, di ba? Ay, wala ba, di ba? 8.843, 0.682, so wala. So sabihin nyo dyan, no significant difference. Okay? Next. Okay, wala yung measure Ito, according to sex naman, no? You don't say gender, you say sex. Because gender has a different meaning now because of the gender sensitivity, you know that. So again, wala na naman significant difference. Sa age, okay, wala din. Almost na 0.5 pero wala pa rin. And then length of service, meron. Itong culture, blah blah, yung second question, as a significant difference. And then pag nakita mo significant difference, go back to the table and try to find out, ito yan culture. Asan dito, bakit siya nagkaroon ng significant difference? Ang pwede mo sabihin is that, ito 2.3, 2.6, 2.5, halos pare-pareho sila ng total. However, yung 1 to 2 years ay mataas masyado. So you can say na culture ethnicity affects communication, blah blah blah. Ang mga matatagal na sa company, yung mga more than 2 years, ay they tend to give a lower score to the question.